And now live somewhere in Miami, it's Cooking with Rudy. Hey guys, my name is Rudy and welcome to Cooking with Rudy, the Raw Edition. So today we're going to actually make it as we go. I'm trying different angles, so let me know if this is a better angle. You can see the stove and see me, and we'll see how things go. Just out of curiosity from all my Sealy friends, anybody still have this shirt? Probably the only one. Okay guys, we'll get this thing started. So let's see, here we go. So I found these little packages perfect for the amount of salt you need for all your cooking needs. It's just the right amount. What we're going to do today is, we got rice, got a little bit of onion, mushroom, and peas. Some water in here. You guys may be curious why the big mess in back of me here. What happened was my garbage disposal started rattling. So yesterday, Rudy the cook turned into Rudy the plumber. So I was taking stuff apart. And long story short, new garbage disposal on its way here. Okay, this is pretty simple. Start the corn in here, let it boil, and now I'm gonna give a little shout out to this thing. This little chop thing is really awesome. Put everything in here that you need, chops it up for you. I kind of like it better than the cutting board. So we're going to preheat our pan here. Just a little bit of butter. And incidentally, I guess this is a rare find nowadays because they got rid of the grill. I don't get it. Maybe you guys more on this, kind of like to hear your opinion. So, while we're doing this, I'm going to take a little bit of onion here. Just a small piece. That's not good. I like to land the right side up. Onion, run through this thing real quick here. And then the mushrooms. Put them in here. Bam. Again, cut these up a little more. One thing about mushrooms I noticed, they don't ever last very long. This. And for those of you that don't know, I'm definitely not a professional cook. I'm just a dude who still believes in the theory of cooking means applying heat to something. You know, whether you're actually cooking like this or just re-cooking last night's pizza. Butter's like this here. Add just a little bit of oil. And mushrooms all chopped up, nice. Dump them in here. Now me, I'm not a very healthy cooking kind of guy, but the one thing that I have adapted, which I find really, really awesome, is garlic. I put garlic into everything. Now we're gonna stir this up in here, make sure it's all evened out. Okay, and I'm 1 pot short. I'll do it this way. That was the last time you guys saw an actual can. The mushrooms will be ready here very quickly, so I'm just going to work around this. Actually, I'm not 1 pot short. I'm actually right. Okay, peas, that's pretty easy. You dump them out. You're gonna put this on front, on high. Stir this up a little bit. Okay, I got a little exotic flavor here. These are pigeon peas. I've never had those before. Okay, now for the main part. Now, I've learned with rice over here, it's a little different with every type of rice that I use. So this one, Near East Parmesan flavor. And instructions couldn't be simpler. Medium saucepan, combine 1 1/4 cup of water. So here is 1. And 1/4 cup will be right down here. And first thing you want to do is you want to turn down the mushrooms, otherwise you're going to really over-grill something there. Okay, this is going. Stir this around a little bit. The thing I'm making is actually enough for 2. I usually sometimes make this as leftovers for my next day at work. So, let's see, saucepan, combine 1 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of olive oil or butter. We're going to do a little bit of both. 1 teaspoon. And another. Okay, and I'm going to put just a little bit of butter on here and put the butter away. Just a little bit. Add flavor. I'm going to turn this up to full. Mix our mushrooms a little bit. Alright, here's the magic. So bring this, empty the packets in, bring it up to boiling, and cover. So, We got our flavor pack. We got our rice. Dump that in here. Dump in that flavor pack. You really got to watch this rice because it goes really quick. So I got this, this. Mix everything up. Okay, this is going to be on high. We're going to cover this. And we'll go back to mixing our mushrooms. The mushrooms are getting nice little color. Everything's blended in. Do the onions. And we're going to slow this down even more. The corn is actually going back pretty quick too. So we definitely want to burn this. Okay. This part actually gets done really, really quick. Cover everything up. Corn is cooking and it's almost done as well. So to kind of review, I went ahead and I got the rice going on high. I got the mushrooms going on very low, down there about 2. Got the corn on high, and I got the peas here on 5. I think I'm going to slow that down a little bit more as well. That's looking like it's almost done. I really don't want it to boil over. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine everything when everything's said and done into a large pan. So I put this in the sink. You won't be able to see this to drain all the water from the peas. You can see the rice already working its way up. It gets ready quite quick. What I want to do is I want to prep another pan. This is my very large and favorite cooking pan. This is going to serve as our mixing. We're going to mix everything in this. Okay, mushrooms. If you guys have any questions on the quantities or any suggestions on how I can improve this, make this better, let me know. I love the comments I've seen before. That's why I kind of keep doing this. Okay, I believe our peas are about done, so turn that down to 1. Corn I'm going to leave boiling. And check it out. Like instant rice. Like I said, the timing on this has to be precise, otherwise you'll burn it. And that's not a good thing. So now I'm going to leave this on high, place my other pan in here. And what we're going to do first is, we grab our hands here. We're going to take our mushrooms, dump them into the pan. That's it for that. Now we're going to take our rice, put it in here as well. And I'm going to turn this thing way down. So, you can see, everything is just about ready. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our peas, dump them into my little strainer device over here, which will get rid of all the water. enough this in here. Then stir everything up. Let's see, now we can turn off everything. So, our corn. Actually, one in here. And all you gotta do now is serve. I usually split this up into 2 pieces. This is my leftover box. Careful not to burn it. I think I do gotta say though, with the corn that I did a few weeks back, actually I think it had a better, livelier texture and shade for sure. Okay guys, for me it's lunch and a movie. Please let me know your comments, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.